As you can see, I've got a line that I drew that matches the line in the other side. And I'll line up the line with this little pointer here. Allows me to make sure the dowel holes are exactly in the right place. Now I'll drill these holes. Using Type Bond 3 wood glue, and put a lot of it on there, put a lot of it on, and put it in the hole. I marked each one of these dowels with a line at the halfway mark, so I know how far to drive it in, so I don't drive it in too far, or not far enough. And that's it. That's how you do it.